Today's 1-minute lesson is how to use System Restore with Windows 10. System Restore can undo system changes to fix Windows 10 problems. Here I'm going to show you how to do that. On Windows 10, System Restore is a feature designed to create a snapshot of the current working state and save it as a restore point when important changes are detected on your computer. If a critical problem occurs after installing an update, driver, or app, or after modifying the system's settings incorrectly in the registry, you can use a restore point to revert your laptop or desktop computer to an earlier point to resolve the issue without losing your files. Although this is an excellent recovery feature, it's disabled by default, meaning that you have to enable it manually in order for restore points to be created. We'll walk you through the steps here. It's really short. How to set up System Restore. We're going to go down to the Start menu, click on Start, and type in Create a Restore Point. Click on that. It brings you into the System Properties box into the System Protection tab. So we're going to go down here to Configure and make sure that this Restore settings is turned on. By enabling System Protection, you can undo undesired changes by reverting your computer to a previous point in time. And that's all there is to it. Make sure that it's turned on because by default it's off. So hit Apply and then OK and OK, and you're good to go. If you have a problem in the future, you might be able to recover by using the restore point that you have now enabled to be created every time changes are made to your system. We'll go over how to actually use it in another lesson. But for now, that's your 1-minute lesson.